How to do green screen on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap on an effect to the left of the capture button. Then tap on All Effects at the bottom. Here, you can view all the available effects on TikTok. Now tap on the search icon as shown. In the search bar, type green screen. Now, scroll down and select any green screen effect from here. You can now upload any photo from your camera roll with this green screen effect. After that, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Following these steps, you can easily use green screen on TikTok.